Alright guys, as you can see, it's raining outside. I'm going to do this open mic because I don't want my mic to get wet. I brought both cameras, but we're on the GGI. It's raining, 22nd day, it's 5th annual. Back to 50's over here in St. Paul, Minnesota State Fair. I was late getting out today. We went to a food thing. Anyways, you got some nice cars here. What the hell, right? It's raining outside, but what the hell, right? It's an Impala, nice. 62. So there'll be rain and all kinds of fun stuff today, but Oldsmobile. It's fun, 10,000 vehicles, the biggest one in the country. $15 to get in. I was gonna come tomorrow, but they closed at 3. So people were leaving, but they're still playing around, as you can see. Classic Buick. Look at that bad boy. That Ford. What year is that bad boy?
39.
If it's ever gone, it's in my garage and she's with me. Did she come with it?
No.
All right. Should say yes. Little rain today, huh?
Yeah.
I figured out what the heck. It's worth the $15.
Yeah.
I like it. I love the color. Something different. Never go on YouTube and watch Hagerty, all these old cars. You'll never leave your house. There's so many good YouTubes of old cars, like scrapyards. Oof. There you go. Look at that bad boy, huh? Wisconsin. I'm like, I'm gonna go anyways. But if not me, what the hell, right? That's a nice one. That's a nice Corvette. Look at those. I've seen those tow trucks up before. These are cool. I like this old Chevys. See a lot of those Chevelles and stuff. Like the wagons. A nice Corvette over here. Yeah, there's still plenty around. I saw some leaving, but I think a lot of them still stick around. Smell the popcorn. Look at that bad boy. There's still a lot out here, so it's good to see. I'm glad I came. I had an umbrella in the trunk of my car. I'll say somewhat dry, and I bought an extra battery for this bad boy. I can always pull out the GoPro 10 as well. They just cruise around, as you can see. Classic one. 4-door. Gasoline forever, man. Damn right. Biscayne. Got another of those wagons over there. He's sleeping. Yeah. I'm glad I came. A little bit of rain doesn't hurt anybody, right? They do a lot of cruising. Like this one over here. Look at that hood. Look at that one. Little low rider. Heck yeah. Skeeter speed shop. Windows down. But get an idea how great that is. I could have had the microphone under my umbrella, but I'm like, just didn't trust it. Galaxy. There's just so many of them around. I've seen this one before. This is a new one. I've never seen this one before. I've seen it. Wagon.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Good. Not enjoying the weather.
Oh well, that's what umbrella's for. Let's do that engine right there, but yeah. So there's your first one, you guys. Classic. Gotta like it, man. In the rain. Heck yeah. See you guys next one.